Let's calculate the price of a bond. It has a $1,000 face value, a 10-year maturity, a 6% annual coupon, and the market interest rate is 5%. We'll solve this with a financial calculator and then explain the math. First, using an HP 10BII Plus calculator. Clear the memory and set payments to 1 per year. Now let's enter the values. Enter 10 and press N for years. Enter 5 and press I/YR for the interest rate. The payment is $60, so enter 60 and press PMT. The future value is 1,000, so enter 1,000 and press FV. Now press PV to solve for the present value or price. The calculator gives you $1,077.22. So what's the math behind that? A bond's price is the present value of its future cash flows. You simply add the present value of its coupon stream to the present value of its final payout. For this bond, the present value of all $60 coupon payments comes to $463.30. The present value of the final $1,000 payout you receive at maturity is $613.91. Add those two numbers together. $463.30 plus $613.91 equals $1,077.21. It matches the calculator. The key takeaway here is simple. The bond's price is over $1,000 because its 6% coupon rate is better than the current 5% market rate. Investors will pay a premium for that higher income stream. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.